Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC along with this segment BP, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this point P is the midpoint for this diagonal AC. In other words, this segment AP length equal to this segment CP length. And moreover, this side AB length is 20 units, and this segment BP length is 26 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus once again on this right triangle ABC. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this triangle ABC, and now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And here in our case, this side is the height of this triangle, and we know the height is 20 units. And the base of this triangle is this side BC, and we are going to label this side BC length as X. And now our task is to find the value of X before we could calculate the area of this triangle. And now let's recall the Thales theorem. According to this theorem, if A, B, and C are three distinct points on the very same circle, where the line AC is the diameter, then the angle ABC is going to be a right angle. In other words, it's going to be a 90 degrees angle. And here we can see this is our 90 degrees angle, and P is the center of the circle. So therefore we conclude that this AP is going to be the radius lowercase r. Likewise, this is going to be radius lowercase r as well. And likewise, this segment BP is going to be the radius lowercase r as well. So therefore we conclude that these segments are equal in length. If this segment BP length is 26 units, then this AP segment length is going to be 26, and likewise this CP length is going to be 26 units as well. So therefore this whole hypotenuse AC length is going to be 26 plus 26 is going to give us 52 units. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle ABC, and we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle to solve for X. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 52, whereas our two other legs are x and 20. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got x square plus 20 square equals to 52 square. Let's simplify. That is going to give us x square plus 400 equal to 2704. And now we are going to subtract 400 from both sides. And here we can see this 400 negative 400 gone. X square turns out to be equal to 2304. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore our side length x value simply turns out to be 48 units. So thus our x value turns out to be 48. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 48, whereas 20 is the height of this triangle. So therefore the triangle ABC area is going to be a half times the base is 48 times height is 20. And if we multiply and simplify, that is going to give us 480 square units, the area of this right triangle ABC. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of the triangle ABC turns out to be 480 square units. In other words, the area of this triangle ABC is 480 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.